Alright, please create a new table of contents for Unit 8. So on a blank page in your notebook, copy this down. Alright, today we're going to talk about the polygon interior angle sum theorem. And so if we look at these words, polygon is just going to be talking about shapes. The interior means we're going to talk about the inside. And so we're going to be talking about the inside angles. And then the sum means the total. So if we look at this shape here, we're basically going to find what all these angles on the inside add up to. Well, before we do this, I wanted to show you. So here we have a triangle, and the inside angles of a triangle, you should know, add up to 180. And so it doesn't matter what the shape of the triangle is, they always add up to 180. So if we look at a four-sided figure, a four-sided figure always adds up to 360. And so no matter what shape the quadrilateral is, the angles will always add up to 360. And if we look at a pentagon, we're going to find out that they always add up to 540. So no matter how you draw the shape, the inside angles will always add up to 540. And so we're going to look at this for different shapes. So like we just saw, that we know that this pentagon is going to add up to 540 degrees. Well, we have a formula that's going to tell us this for any shape. And the formula is going to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So the n represents the number of sides. So here we have a pentagon, and so that has 5 sides. And so it would just be 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 3 times 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. So the inside angles of a pentagon add to 540 degrees. So this is, we'll call this problem 1b. You're going to do this problem. The first thing you need to do is determine how many sides your polygon has. So step 1, what are the number of sides? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6-sided polygon. And remember, a 6-side is called a hexagon. Step 2, write the formula. So it's just n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Step 3 is just evaluate your formula. So go ahead and try writing the formula down, plugging in 6 into your formula, and let's see what you get. So you should have n minus 2 times 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720 degrees. That means the inside angles of a hexagon add up to 720 degrees. For problem 2 is find the measure of one interior angle. So here they tell us the word, so an octagon. So an octagon has 8 sides. Not the best drawing in the world, but we don't really need a drawing, we just need to know that an octagon has 8 sides. So what we're going to do first is we are going to identify the number of sides. Two, we're going to use our formula. We're going to get our answer for our formula. Now this one has an extra step, is now we're going to divide our answer since we only want to know what one of the angles is equal, we're going to divide our answer by the number of sides. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to take our n minus 2, our formula here, and plug in 8 minus 2 times 180. So 6 times 180 is equal to 1080 degrees. And now what we want to do is just take that number and divide it by 8. And it's okay to use your calculator on this. And so that means that each angle is 135 degrees. So this angle right here would be 135 degrees. Alright, you're going to do 2b on your own. I want to know what each angle is. So to find the measure of one angle of this, just like we did in the last problem. So start with step 1. How many sides? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 sides. What's a 9-sided figure called? A nonagon. Step 2, write the formula. We get n minus 2 times 180. So now let's go ahead and evaluate this. 9 minus 2 times 180. So 7 times 180. Is 1260. Okay, so all this work right here is step 3. And then step 4, on your calculator, do 1260. Here the key is you got to make sure you divide it by the number of sides, 9. So we're going to divide that by 9, and so we get 140 degrees.